Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crafting with Stephanie. I'm Stephanie, your youth and community librarian from the Medicine Hat Public Library. This month's craft is inspired of Mental Health Awareness Month, which falls during the month of May in Canada. We have a limited quantity of pre-packaged craft kits available at the library for pickup for teens ages 13 to 19 that contain all the supplies that you need for this craft. If you're unable to get one of those kits, don't worry, the supplies are very simple and I'm sure you can find them around your house. Now, what is the craft, you might be asking? We are creating our very own DIY Zentangle art coloring zine. That's a mouthful, I know. Now, what is that? So a zine is a little pocketbook made out of paper. It's usually about this big and you can decorate the pages however you'd like. Zentangle is a type of art style made up of black, bold lines and intricate shapes that you can color in later if you would like. Doing something creative or with your hands is known to be a very useful self-care project, so this is the perfect craft for May Mental Health Awareness Month. The supplies you'll need for this craft include a piece of white paper, scissors, a fine tip black Sharpie or pen, and your favorite coloring tools, whether it's crayons, pencil crayons, or markers. The first thing we need to do is transform our piece of white paper into our zine booklet. Now, if my memory recalls, I feel like I've done this before in an earlier Crafting with Stephanie episode. Let's roll that clip.
All right, so we're gonna get started by folding our paper to make our book. So we're gonna fold it lengthwise one time, and then we're gonna fold it once this way. Make sure those edges are straight. Okay, now you're gonna pull back half of it, like so, the front half, and fold it backwards. Flip it over, and we're gonna fold the bottom half in the same direction. Then we're gonna unfold the paper and you should have a bunch of little squares. Next, we are going to fold it in half again. Taking our scissors, we're gonna cut the length of this first square. And this will help create the spine of our zine. Done. And we'll unfold it. Now this is a tricky part, and we're gonna fold it into our pages for our zine. It's kind of tricky. So what you're gonna do is you wanna have it kind of, you want it vertical. You're gonna squeeze it together to make these peaks. And you're going to open it up and fold it in, like so. And you're gonna fold the pages down on each other, forming this kind of a book shape. Okay, I'm gonna do that one more time. So we have it lengthwise, pull together into a peak where our slit is in the paper, pull up kind of like a fortune teller to make these 4 spirals, and then fold each end of the spiral together to form a little book. So you should have a front page, open it up, first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth page, and then a back cover.
Thanks, Past Stephanie, for showing us how to fold our piece of paper into a little zine booklet. Now that we have our zine booklet, it is time to create our Zentangle art. And I am very excited to announce that we have a very special guest who is going to show us the basics of Zentangle art in this video. Her name is Leanne, and she is our resident artist at the Medicine Hat Public Library. Take it away, Leanne.
Hi everyone, it's Leanne, and I'm just here to decorate a page in my zine with some fun Zentangle patterns. So let's get started. First of all, like you saw in the handout that you got with the kit, I am going to draw a string with just this regular number 2 pencil that I have lying around in my house. And now with our string out of the way, I am going to start filling in my pattern with pen. I'm just going to use a Faber-Castell Pitt Artist pen, but you can use any kind of a pen that you have lying around your house, even a ballpoint pen. Awesome. So now that I've drawn out a fun little Zentangle pattern in pen, what I'm going to do to kind of really make it pop and add some three-dimensional depth is use my pencil and shade in all the shapes, and then I'm going to blend it with this tortillon that I have here. A fun little Zentangle page.
Thank you so much, Leanne, for showing us the basics of Zentangle art to create our very own Zentangle Zine coloring book. From here, you can decide, do you want to leave it black and white? That's totally fine. You can also use your favorite coloring tools to color in your very own Zentangle art. Take some time to relax, unwind, color, and remember always to take care of yourself. You matter, and if you need help, please reach out. Down below, you will find some phone numbers and links to Canadian mental health resources for youth and teens. Well, that's all I have today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and just as a reminder, we have limited quantity of these pre-packaged craft kits available at the library to pick up during the month of May. Stay safe, friends. Bye now.